Yeswelder Flux135 Pro. Just got this little guy. Just been playing around. Here's where you turn it on and off at. Here is where you add your wire. Very simple design. You have your wire feed speed right there, your volts right there, your dial to change it right there. You can do stick, TIG, flux. Pretty nice little welder. You do have the MIG gun on it. Ran a little stick with it already. Just something to play around with in the garage. Great little welder. I've used a couple of these welders at work and they just aren't too bad of a welder. Easy to move, lightweight, small compact design. Nice little welder for a MIG welder.